Also, Tony, we have the special holder here. 4 tools on one station. Then, how to extend the tool? Just Y-axis stroke. Chip to chip, just 0.2 seconds for this high-grade design new holder system.
My friends, I'm with my buddy Shogo-san again. I'm always grateful to be a part of it. There are so many aspects to this story. We're gonna try not to talk for 30 minutes, but Shogo, this machine has so many details that we just might talk. But it's important for you to understand because this machine can do things that no other machine on the planet can do. First thing I want you to remember is as I flex these giant muscles, he's actually bigger. He has more muscles. So when we think about it, we've done the flex. I'm the regular flex. He is the plus. He's bigger and stronger like this machine. Shogo-san, let's talk about some of these details. We've done a video with the flex machine. What does the plus bring to the table?
That main concept, compact meets flexibility, Tony. Same compact size to anti-flex, now anti-flex plus. New machine and same space, but high capability and big flexibility.
I gotta be honest, I was very excited about the plus, Shogo-san. When we got there and you showed me the size of the machine, how it's the same footprint as a Swiss machine, the capabilities and the strength, but we've added so much more here. In fact, we've rotated these tools to show the audience these long drills, the extended space with the same footprint, added torque to go along with it, and this ability to do so much more on a Y-axis. I would love to hear more about that so they can understand what you've educated me on as well.
Okay, so Tony, as you said, same space, but now have the double Y-axis on both turrets. That is suitable for the milling shape, complex shape of workpiece. And then left and right main spindle. Right spindle have key technology. Have the X-axis goes up, create a space for longer shaft and on compact space. That is many secrets inside anti-flex plus.
Many secrets is right. I'm trying to help us reveal these secrets, right?
Yeah, we share the secrets.
This actually moves up as you just described. This drill can come down, this drill can come up and actually work at the same time in a limited space. On top of that, you have a G-code to add to torque. If you need to get through harder material that you can raise or lower, whether it's roughing or finishing to go along with, and it's a lot to this machine, my friends, and live tooling or machining capabilities of 10,000 RPM.
10,000 RPM is a perfect technology for milling shape. After the machining here, flattening by Y-axis and the mill, then 10,000 RPM chamfering. Normally, after the machining, we need chamfering and deburring by hand. But now, high-speed 10,000 RPM chamfering, short additional time. Then we can offer automation technology for customers.
I feel like your engineering team must be a little bit crazy, Shogo-san. I mean, let's be honest. When we talked about the flex, we revolutionized what can be done in a small space. But that wasn't enough for you at Nakamura, was it? You said, let's add a plus and let's do more. I believe also we have 56 tools in here currently. You can have up to 96, and that even adds, and what's the speed of change? Tell me about the speed of operation, being able to do more quickly inside the machine.
Yeah, that's right. From this workpiece to another workpiece, different shape. We put many tools on here, maximum 96 tools on both turrets. It means no need to set up from workpiece A to workpiece B. We call the permanent tooling. It's very helpful technology. Also, Tony, we have the special holder here. 4 tools on one station. Then, how to extend the tool? Just Y-axis stroke. Chip to chip, just 0.2 seconds for this high-grade design new holder system.
That's fast. Not as fast as this conversation we're trying to have, but we're trying to figure out all these details. I also see what looks to be a little bit like a steady rest in there, Shogo-san.
That is.
This will actually move up. Can you tell me more about that? Because your parts can now come out further as well.
That's right. Then, right spindle can go up with X-axis. Now, this shadow telescope come in. Then the repeatability less than 2 micron is very accurate.
Wow.
Then this tailstock can push the workpiece by servo motor, as you said. And we can do torque control, we can do soft coil pusher and hard coil pusher both by programming.
Did you just say less than 2 micron?
Yeah,
Did you? So I'm doing all of these operations to presentedly, let's say, a done in one or
Yeah.
one and done, which is what a lot
That's
of your
right.
customers on the planet want to do. And I'm doing all of that in less than 2 micron, faster, stronger, with more space and longer parts and more capability with quicker cycle times because you can do all of these. These are all acting independently to be able to work on their own to get the part done quicker.
yeah,
Is
that's
that
right.
correct?
That's correct. It's a customer love. Nice, accurate machine and high speed. That is the point. And compact. And all these technology packed to this new machine. We call the Plus.
I see why people all over the world are buying your machine, Shogo-san.
That's right.
We switched sides because, and we originally were on opposite sides of the camera. My camera guy was like, okay, I'll move the cameras, right? But we switched sides because you might want to talk a little bit about the software as
Okay.
well. And I see a cool little door down here also, kind of sneakily
Yeah.
behind here. Do you want to touch on those quickly as we
Yeah,
start to
of
close
course.
this out?
Of course. And this is the new operation panel, NT Smart XS. Yeah. Inside NC is a funnel, but all software developed by Nakamura-Tome. Then also we have the special programming system for this machine. Because this machine have high flexibility, it means no need calculation, no need memorize G-code, M-code,
Thank you.
and simulation 3D model. Then also easy process design for multitasking machine. We call the Protoner new compositional system. This is a standard for free, Tony. Then,
Wow.
as you said, remnant catcher system is quite good. So put the bar feeder also remain the remnant on there. Now we have the special parts catcher system for the remnant. And just come here, open up, then you can pick up remnant here. It's super easy system, all automation offered by Interface.
You know, Shogo-san, a lot of times at the end of these conversations, I shake somebody's hand. I say thank you for the information.
Thank you
Thank
so
you for
much.
educating the audience.
Yep.
But in this case, honestly, I would just like to bow and say thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time. This is an incredible machine. Congratulations on being the only one in the world that can do this. And thank you for sharing this on the MTD CNC channel. Always appreciate your smile, Shogo-san.
Yeah, appreciate it, Tony-san. Always my big friend and big brother. And finally, anything for the next platform?
Oh,